Welcome to my in-depth review of 7M Fitness, an online platform dedicated to helping people achieve their fitness goals. In this video, I'll walk you through the site's features, its design, and my honest user experience. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in your fitness journey, this platform claims to offer tools tailored to your needs. So let's see how it performs. The homepage greets you with a clean, modern interface that immediately displays the platform's focus on fitness and health. There's a prominent section for signing up or logging in, and below that, you'll find previews of workout plans and training programs. The site categorizes its plans into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, making it accessible to users at any fitness stage. Navigating the site is straightforward. The dashboard is well organized, allowing users to quickly access training programs, progress trackers, and nutritional guides. One standout feature is the customization option for workout plans. Users can input their goals, such as weight loss, muscle gain, or general fitness, and the platform generates a program tailored to those objectives. 7M Fitness also includes an extensive library of workout videos. Each video is detailed, with instructions on form and modifications for varying skill levels. The content is hosted directly on the platform, ensuring seamless playback without external links. However, some videos are locked behind a premium subscription, which may be a drawback for those looking for free resources. One area where 7M Fitness excels is tracking progress. The site offers tools to log your workouts, monitor calorie intake, and even track your sleep. This integrated approach makes it easier to see how different aspects of your lifestyle affect your fitness journey. Additionally, the platform's community feature lets you connect with other users, share progress, and even join challenges for motivation. While there's a lot to like about 7M Fitness, it's not without flaws. The free version of the site is somewhat limited, with premium features, like personalized plans and exclusive workout videos locked behind a subscription. Some users may also find the nutritional guides less comprehensive compared to dedicated apps. Additionally, while the interface is user-friendly, it could benefit from more vibrant visuals to make the experience more engaging. Overall, 7M Fitness provides a solid range of tools and resources for fitness enthusiasts. The platform is particularly suited to beginners looking for a structured approach, but it has enough depth to cater to advanced users too. Whether it's worth the investment depends on your specific goals and how much value you place on having a one-stop shop for your fitness needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support the channel. Thank you for watching.